time. If this is your first story time, let me introduce us. I am Jen, and this is Moody. And Moody is a buddy to help with those big frustrations when you need to just get them out. And how does Moody do that? Well, they are a pull-apart monster. You can rip off their head and throw it across the room. You can pull off their arms and legs and bang them against the furniture. And when you're all done, you can put Moody back together again and talk about what happened. What can we do next time to better cope with those big feelings? So that's who we are. And today we are reading Leila the Perfect Witch. I can't wait to get into this. I love Flavia Drago's stories. There we go. Far and wide, Leila Wayward was known for being an extraordinary little witch. She lived with her Baba and 3 big sisters, Adelpha, Fur, and Lucy, in their cozy gingerbread house. She was always the fastest flyer. Ooh, look, she's on the go. The most cunning conjuror. Ooh. The sneakiest shapeshifter. Oh my goodness, she turned into a snake. And the craftiest carver in her coven. Oh, look how pretty. For each of her talents, Leila had won a trophy, but she was saving a special spot for the most important one of all. Look at all those trophies, my goodness. Her dream was to win the Magnificent Witchy Cake-off. Don't worry, Basil, this is going to be easy peasy. Oh, she's excited for a bake-off. After all, Leila was the youngest in a long line of powerful women who were experts in the dark arts of patisserie. That means baking. And this year, she was finally old enough to enter the competition. Look at everyone. But much to Leila's surprise, who's that? Baking wasn't such a piece of cake. It's not. It can be a little difficult. Of course, Leila wasn't going to give up. I want to be as good as everyone in my family, she thought. Leila, want to chase fairies and forage for mushrooms? Oh, one of her sisters is asking. But if she wanted to win, there would be no time to go out and fly, no time for carving pumpkins, and definitely no time for fun. Leila was, after all, a particularly determined witch. Oh my goodness, Leila. Finally, after a lot of research, Leila found the perfect recipe. Mix the mandrake and nightshade. Ooh. Now blend it with the wool of bat. Ooh. For a cake of powerful taste, watch it bubble and let it bake. And after a lot of experimenting and hard work, she was about to make the most magical, there's her oven, disaster. Oh no! What happened? A disaster? Oh, Basil, my family will be so disappointed in me. I'll never be a true Wayward. Oh, no. But as it turned out, good sisters will always be there, especially when you need them the most. Take a deep breath. Let's count to 10 and try it again. Oh, her sisters are so nice. Fur showed Leila her best tricks for sifting and mixing. Oh, that's so nice of her. Lucy helped her with the cream. Lucy's so nice. And Adelpha taught her everything about decoration techniques. But most importantly, they all had so much fun. Finally, the night of the Magnificent Witchy Cake-off had arrived. The judges and contestants were ready. Oh, look at the judges. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Good luck, darling, and have a blast. Leila put on her chef's uniform, and off she went. I wonder who else went with her. Little by little, take a deep breath. Let's count to 10 and try again. She got there. Yes, that's the cake right there. Leila made it to the final. And now the winner is, oh, let's see who's going to be the winner. There's Leila and all the other kids with their cakes too. Faustus Gray. Oh my goodness. There's Faustus and his cake. Oh my goodness. You are the best witch, it says up there. So in the end, Leila didn't win the trophy. We are so proud of you. But losing wasn't as terrible as she'd imagined it might be. And you know what? When she was having fun, she felt like a winner. Plus, there was one thing that all the Waywards would always be extraordinarily good at. Eating cake together. Yay! Everybody's eating her cake. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. That is the end. I love Leila's story. Yes, we can work really hard to make something that we really want to be a success, right? Like winning a cake baking contest. And sometimes it just isn't our time to win the prize. And that's okay, because the important part is that you have fun with doing what you're working towards. And having siblings that can help you as well is always a plus. I hope you enjoyed the story. We'll see you again next time. Bye.